Hello, hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about binomial nomenclature. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Anyone know what is binomial nomenclature? Anyone know? Okay. Binomial nomenclature. Hello, are you hearing me? All of you, are you hearing me?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, binomial nomenclature is the biological system of naming the organisms in which the name is composed of two terms, where the first term indicates the genus and the second term indicates the species of the organism. Okay? So, multiple local names make it extremely difficult to identify an organism globally and keep a track of the number of species. Thus, it creates lots of confusion, right? To get rid of this confusion, a standard protocol come up. According to it, each and every organisms would have one scientific name, which would be used by everyone to identify an organism. Okay, this process of standardized naming is called as binomial nomenclature. Okay, got it?
Ma'am.
Any doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Explain again. Okay. Uh, Here's multiple local names make it extremely difficult to identify an organism globally and keep a track of the number of species. It creates lots of confusion. Okay, to get rid of this confusion, a standard protocol come up. According to it, each and every organism would have one scientific name, which would be used by everyone to identify an organism. This process of standardized naming is called as binomial nomenclature. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Now, who introduced binomial nomenclature? The system of binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carl Linnaeus. We are still using this binomial nomenclature. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay? You can hear me now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. Now examples. All living species, including plants, animals, birds, and also some microbes, have their own scientific name. For example, the scientific name of the tiger is presented as Panthera tigris. Here, Panthera represents the genus and Tigris represents a particular species or a specific epithet. Okay. Next is scientific name of human is present as Homo sapiens. Here, Homo represents the genus and sapiens represents a particular species. Okay. Next is next scientific name of mango is written as Mangifera indica. Here, Mangifera represents the genus and indica is a particular species or specific epithet. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, binomial nomenclature have some international code. Okay. A biologist from all over the world follows a uniform set of principles for naming the organisms. There are two international codes which are agreed upon by all the biologists over the entire world for the naming protocol. These are International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. It's called ICBN. It deals with the biological nomenclature for plants. Okay?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Not clear? Now?
Ma'am, it's buffering.
Now?
Clear, ma'am.
Now you can hear me?
Buffering, ma'am.
Buffering.
Yes.
Maybe network issue. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now? Now can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
You can hear me now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? You can hear me? Hello?
Clear, ma'am. Your voice is
Now clear?
so network is so bad in
Yeah.
Arunachal.
Voice is buffering now.
Now? Now it's clear?
Better, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now it's clear?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear. Clear.
Okay. So, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature ICBN. Okay? It deals with the biological nomenclature for plants. Okay? Next is International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. It's called ICBZN. It deals with the biological nomenclature of animals. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hear me na? Now?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this code makes sure that each organism gets a specific name and that name is globally identified. Okay? The naming follows certain convention. Each scientific name has two parts. One is generic name and another is specific epithet. Okay? Hello?
Ma'am.
Hello? You can hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Now, universal rules of nomenclature. Okay. So here is some rules for nomenclature. Okay, there is biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. Okay, they are Latinized or derived from Latin irrespective of their origin. Second is the first word in a biological name represent the genus while the second component denotes the specific epithet. Okay. Both the words in a biological name, when handwritten, are separately underlined or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin. Okay? And last is the first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letter while the specific epithet starts with a small letter. It can be illustrated with the example of Magnifera indica. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. It's clear now?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, drawback of binomial nomenclature. Some of the basic drawbacks of binomial nomenclature are if two or more names are currently in use according to the law of priority, the correct name will be the one used first and the other end up being synonyms or validity is the senior synonyms. Okay, providing stability in the naming and classification of organisms must be emphasized. Okay, also the names used prior to those included in the systema nature by lineage are not recognized. Okay, now you have to learn, sorry, now you have to know about what is the systematics. Anyone know what is the systematics? Hello?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
We couldn't hear you. Your voice keeps breaking.
no.
Everyone? Anyone can hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. I can't hear your voice.
Yeah, yeah,
Same here, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
You can hear me now? Okay, I'll provide you the notes, then you can understand properly. Okay, now tell me what is the systematics? Anyone know what is the systematics?
Question.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anyone know what is systematics?
Systematic, ma'am.
Yes. If you know, then write in the chat box. Okay? Okay. What is binomial nomenclature? What is binomial nomenclature?
Logical system of naming an organism.
Who introduced binomial nomenclature?
Forgot, ma'am.
Oh God. Carl Linnaeus.
Yes.
Carl Linnaeus. Okay. Linnaeus word is wrong. Zibon said three. Linnaeus word is wrong. And scientific name is written as first letter is capital, not small letter. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is systematics? No one know, na? Okay. Systematic is the study of the identification, taxonomy, and nomenclature of organisms, including the classification of living things with regards to their natural relationship and the study of variation and the evolution of taxa. Okay. Got it now?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Okay. Systematic is the study of the identification, taxonomy, and nomenclature of organisms, including the classification of living things with regards to their natural relationships and the study of variation and the evolution of taxa. Okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I says we have this class session because I cannot able to hear properly. Yes. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me na. Zibon Chatri is told, ma'am, I will you upload this class session because I can't able to hear properly. All of you can't hear me.
I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Systematic is the historical relationship of groups of biological organisms, the recognition and understanding of biodiversity. Okay. It is considered the study of biological diversity in an evolutionary context. Okay, now what is the difference between systematics and taxonomy? Systematics defined as the study of the kind and diversity of organisms and the relationship among them. And taxonomy is the theory and practice of identifying, describing, naming, and classifying organisms. Okay? Anyone have any doubts? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No, no doubts. Okay, give me one example of binomial nomenclature.
Magnifera indica.
Magnifera indica. Uh, Here is two international code, right? Tell me. International code. Tell me international code. You can hear me now? Hello? Voice is not
Hello.
clear. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. What was your question?
Tell me one international code. What is the international code?
ICBN, ma'am,
And
and ICZN.
JN.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Wait. ICBN का full meaning क्या है? What is the full meaning of ICBN?
International code for botanical nomenclature, ma'am.
Okay. And ICZN?
International code of zoological nomenclature.
Okay. Now you can tell me one universal rules of nomenclature. It's too easy, no?
Biological names are written in italics, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. It's too easy, na? Binomial nomenclature.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, give me your roll number. Write in the chat box. All of you, give me your attendance. Thirty-one, 37, 1, 08, 12, 29, 21, 04, 21 done, 11 done, 17, 22 done, 03, 03 done, 15 done, 36 done, 32, 32 done, 05 done, 25, 25 done, 41 done, 004 done, 004 done, 44, 44 done, 46 done, 37 done, 02 done, 19 done, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, anyone else? No. Okay. You have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. All clear? All of you, all clear? How many students in your class?
45, ma'am.
45. Only 27 students join. Why? 45, 27. Okay. No doubts, no?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. Okay, then I'm going to end this meeting. Okay? Uh,
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
thank you. We'll discuss next Next is silent features and classification. Okay, we'll discuss about this for in next class. For your next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to end this meeting. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.